On vehicles with a power sliding top, you can also remove the rear quarter windows. From inside the cargo area, open the two release latches inside the rear quarter window. Do not pull down on the rear windows or apply any weight to them once the latches are released, or you could damage the pins that hold the windows in place. Now, move back outside the vehicle. Open the door closest to the window you'd like to remove. Now, lift the quarter window up and away from the vehicle. Store the windows in the provided storage bags and keep them in a safe location, or securely fasten the bag to the rear seat. To replace the windows, simply repeat these steps in reverse order. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.